Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your rooms on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So before starting videos, I would like to request you please make sure to update your Instagram application so that you'll get the features, that is room features. You can create a room and talk with your friends and family. So let me just get inside my official Instagram account, and here this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to just click on the profile, on the messaging icon on the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see messaging icon. Simply tap on messaging, and then this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do here, to create a room, you will find an option, rooms option on the middle. Here you can see room. Simply tap on this room, and then this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do to create a room, just you need to click on create room, and then here you can see creating. So here, from here, you can invite anyone, and then after inviting, you can just you can see here share option. Simply tap on share. You can share to your WhatsApp groups or anywhere. So let me just join. So here, after this, just click on join room, and as this is the one. So let me just this. So here you can see people will join here. You have to wait for some. Sometimes you have to share the link. Here you can see